Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore Confluence, a powerful collaboration tool used by teams to work together more efficiently. Whether you are a project manager, a developer, or just someone interested in boosting productivity, Confluence has got something for you. So let's dive right in. Confluence is a web-based platform developed by Atlassian that enables teams to create, organize, and share content seamlessly. It acts as a central hub for your team's knowledge base, making it easy to collaborate on projects, share ideas, and keep everyone on the same page. Spaces. Confluence organizes content into spaces, where teams can create pages, blogs, and other collaborative documents. Each space represents a project or a topic, keeping everything neatly categorized. Page creation. Creating a page is a breeze with Confluence user-friendly editor. You can use templates, formatting options, and even add multimedia elements to make your content engaging. Real-time editing. Multiple team members can edit a page simultaneously, ensuring seamless collaboration without worrying about version control. Comments and mentions. Stay connected with your team by leaving comments on pages and mentioning specific members to get their attention or feedback. Attachments. You can attach files, documents, images, and other media to your pages, making it a centralized repository for all project-related resources. Step 1. Sign in. If you have an Atlassian account, log into Confluence. If not, sign up for a free account to get started. Step 2. Create a space. Click on Create and select Space. Give your space a name and choose a space template that fits your project needs. Step 3. Add a page. Inside your space, click on Create and select Page. Choose a page template or start from scratch. Step 4. Edit the page. Use the intuitive editor to add your content. You can format text, insert images, and embedded videos and more. Step 5. Collaborate. Invite team members to your space and they can collaborate with you in real time on the page. Step 6. Comments and mentions. Encourage feedback and discussions by using comments and mentioning team members with the @ symbol. Step 7. Attach files. If you have relevant files, attach them to the page for easy access by clicking on the Files button. Step 8. Publish and share. Once your page is ready, click on Publish. Now you can share the page link with your team. And there you have it, a brief introduction to Confluence and its key features, along with a step-by-step walkthrough to get you started. Confluence is an available tool for any team looking to collaborate effectively and keep information organized. So go ahead, try it out and see how it can transform your team's productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel @TechWithJustJingleTingle for more useful content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.